Okay, so nakuha na natin lahat yung given, yung LCV at yung SFOC. Makukompute natin yung main engine brake horsepower natin. Okay, yan. So, yung known natin na consumption, 17.6 metric tons, times yung nakuha natin na LCV, 9905, times 1 million grams per metric tons, divided by 24 hours, times 10,200, yung LCV, times yung correction natin, yung corrected SFOC, 132.11 grams per PS hour. Okay, so cancel lang natin yung mga unit, metric tons, yung hours, okay, yung grams. So yung sagot natin, 5,377 PS. Okay, yung natirang unit. Okay, ito yung brake horsepower natin. Yung unit niya ay PS. Kung i-convert mo sa kilowatts yan, meron naman kayong converter sa kilowatts, kaya nyo nang masolve yan. Okay?